faith, thank you very much. As a good leader, as a compatriot, as elder statesman, for leading this delegation. I recognize my friend, colleague, Victor Obong Atta, for his selfless service to this country and his commitment to development of the whole nation. Thank you for leading a peace delegation. All the time you are called upon to do some great things for this country. You will never look back. Thank you very much for what you have been doing. To all the leaders here present, including Mama Bakassi, you are very welcome. Our leaders, traditional rulers, youth leaders, Pan-Niger Delta Forum, well, I'm here by the grace of God, appreciating your support, your prayers, and your concerns. I cannot complain because I campaign, dance, sing, and beg for this job. So I must do it with all my heart, whatever it takes, and make sure that we achieve our promises and our goals. Nigeria is extremely an important country. To some members of cabinet here, from outside looking in, from inside looking out, we have been doing our best to give Nigeria a rebirth, a reset, a recalibration of the economic opportunities that is abound in this country. Yes, Niger Delta is the goose that lays the golden egg. But don't kill the goose. Otherwise it means the golden egg permanently. And you'll be in ruins. I got your signal. And I got your concern. Particularly concerning Rivers State. I've been on it for quite some time. I've moved on it before now. I foresee this crisis festering for too long before I entered into it. We reached an agreement, written agreement. Both parties signed. Some leaders thought the governor of Rivers State was wrong to have signed, but they didn't implement. Where do we find ourselves today? So this is a nation of rule of law. I should not be here as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria if there's no rule of law. I have total confidence in our judiciary. Expectations. Human beings can make errors. But when we say Supreme Court is spoken, that's it. Please go back home and help him implement those recommendations within the shortest possible time. I put the ball back in your court. Help him. Was privately, openly, I have intervened, counseled the governor. Only yesterday I told him again, pursue the path of peace. And stoop to conquer and not become perishable. I've seen what all of you have tolerated and been doing. Community development is a matter very close to my heart. I have some of you doing very well in terms of Niger Delta. Oboku, the MD of NDDC, is doing a good job. Encourage him. To achieve more. And you mentioned the Senate. I'm proud and very happy that I am with the Senate President. He's a good man. And is competent and deserves the leadership of the most important arms of government. He is your son. We are all proud of him. Yes. There are a lot of there's misadventurers around Nigeria and the world of twist and turn of democracy. We'll continue to work on preserving the integrity and the character of our people, of our legislature. I sincerely thank you for bringing up those issues critically. I thank you for being what you are for this country. The heart, the conscience of us is trying to focus on the right path. We must do that and do that diligently. Nigeria is just too big than any one of us. It's too great. And that greatness must come from us. Determination, perseverance, everything that we can do to make it better. I'm saying that we cannot achieve El Dorado in one day, but we are on the path to it. We will be there by the grace of God Almighty. We are resetting the economy. It's looking far better now. There's funds for our children in the university. Our medical colleges are being well equipped. Yes, there's infrastructural deficits in some areas. Yes, we will do it. We are setting our priority right. Send someone to look at what is going on the coastal road. That is a huge economy and opportunity associated with it. Yes, we are working with the international reputable companies to make Uyo Port, Calabar Port, and other ports a reality. We are planning on economic opportunity in those areas, specifically, to be able to build things. We are brilliant people. We can do things. We can manufacture things. Let us not look at the past waste. Just learn lessons from it. But get forward with this country, with our youthful population. We can achieve the greatest thing in Africa. We are here to do that. Thank you, leaders. Thank you for being my in-law. I'm taking care of your daughter. Whatever remains in these memos that you've submitted, I'll take a look at it. We will meet more regularly. Well, go back home and take charge of peace. And if you need me, let me know. I've given this situation enough time, enough thinking, enough consideration. We cannot falter. We will not. People of Rivers State must not suffer for the democracy that we all put together. They will not. They must be protected. I'm sure you will do better. I thank you very much.